feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
You should not avoid cooking with olive oil, despite common myths suggesting it has a low smoke point. In fact, extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point around 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 to 210 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for most cooking methods, including sautéing and baking. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, offering health benefits such as reduced risk of heart disease. For high-heat cooking, however, consider using oils with higher smoke points to ensure the oil does not degrade and release harmful compounds.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.